Want to explore Africa on a budget? Here are 5 affordable destinations that allow you to experience the culture, beauty, and adventure this incredible continent offers without breaking the bank. If this is your first time coming across this video, before continuing watching this video, please subscribe, turn on the notification button, and like for our next video. Travel Insights, it's the right channel for travel analysis. First on our list is Marrakesh, Morocco, a city bursting with life and color. Wander through the bustling souks where the scent of spices fills the air, and vibrant textiles catch your eye. From leather goods to handcrafted lanterns, you'll find bargains at every corner. Affordable hostels offer cozy accommodations in the heart of the city, allowing you to immerse yourself in the local atmosphere. Enjoy traditional Moroccan mint tea at a street cafe, soaking in the rich tapestry of sounds and sights around you. Next is Zanzibar, Tanzania, an island paradise famous for its stunning beaches and crystal-clear waters. The best part? You don't have to spend a fortune to enjoy this tropical haven. Budget-friendly beach accommodations and local eateries serve up delicious seafood and exotic flavors at prices that won't strain your wallet. Dive into the warm Indian Ocean, explore the island's spice plantations, or stroll through Stone Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Zanzibar offers an unforgettable experience that delivers incredible value for your travel budget. Cape Town, South Africa is known for its breathtaking landscapes and vibrant culture. Adventure awaits with affordable tours that bring you to iconic landmarks like Table Mountain and the picturesque Cape of Good Hope. Experience the rich history and diversity of this cosmopolitan city through free walking tours. Local markets offer delicious street food, and public transportation makes it easy to navigate the city without overspending. Unwind on the stunning beaches and soak in the incredible sunsets, all while staying within your budget. In Kigali, Rwanda, low-cost public transport options make it easy to explore this clean and orderly city. Renowned for its friendliness and safety, Kigali boasts vibrant markets and unique cultural experiences. Visit the Kigali Genocide Memorial to learn about the country's history and transformation. Local eateries serve mouth-watering Rwandan dishes that won't dent your wallet, enabling you to taste the essence of Rwandan culture without splurging. Lastly, head to Dakar, Senegal, where the streets pulse with life and flavor. Street food is king here, with delicious meals available for as little as $2. Savor grilled fish, spicy kebabs, and akara while mingling with locals. Visit the vibrant markets and cultural sites without spending a fortune. This energetic city encapsulates the spirit of Africa, making it a must-visit destination for budget travelers. Follow for more African travel hacks.